Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can create your account on Metricool. Well, Metricool is a powerful all-in-one platform for content managers, offering tools for social media scheduling, analytics, and performance tracking. It helps streamline planning and boosts engagement by providing insights into what works best across multiple channels. Plus, it saves time with automated reporting and cross-platform management. Anyhow, to create your account, go to your browser and search Metricool. Then click on this link. It will take you to their platform and then click on sign up here. Well, you can sign up using your Facebook account or email, and I'm creating my account using my email. So add your email, password, and accept the terms. And if you want, you can stop Metricool from sending you promotional emails. Then click on Let's Go. It will send you an email to activate your account. So go to your emails and then click on Verify your email address. It will ask you a couple of questions to understand your business so that it can optimize your experience. Well, I'm a freelancer as well as I'm a content creator. So choose one accordingly out of the given options. Then I certainly will manage it myself, so just me. Then definitely I will use it for analysis and reports. Then click on Continue. Here, instead of connecting my accounts right away, I'm clicking on Finish. Now your account has just been created and you can connect your social media accounts to track and analyze. Now go to your account settings under menu icon. Here add your name, select your preferred language, change the time zone, and select the first day of the week. Moreover, you can turn it off if you don't want to receive the monthly reports. And then click on Save Changes. Well, under Access tab, you can enable two-factor authentication. And under Plans and Billing tab, you can check their plans and get one of your need. And under their free plan, they are giving 50 posts a month and one brand account. And when you will get one, you will be able to use API to develop custom solutions by integrating with other applications like Data Studio and Zapier, etc. Anyhow, when you will connect your social media accounts, you will be able to check their analytics to analyze the performance, check the messages and comments, schedule your posts, create smart links, and manage your ad campaigns. Now it's time to connect your social media accounts and manage them all in one place. And remember, the ones with the diamonds and stars cannot be connected and managed without upgrading. And with upgrading, you will also be able to do custom reporting. And this is how you can create your account on Metricool. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.